the Education Act, Section 18, Conscience Clause, subsection 1. It shall not be required as a condition of the administration or attendance of any student in a public educational institution. That means as a condition of the admission or attendance of any student. That means the school administration cannot say, in order to attend this school, you must do. Alright. A, that he shall attend or abstain from attending any Sunday school or place of religious worship. Okay, that means the school cannot tell them that in order for you to come to the school, you must go to the Anglican church or the Baptist church or this or that church, or else you're not coming here. Alright. B, that he shall, if his parents objects, attend any religious observance or any instruction in religious subjects at such institution or elsewhere. So the school cannot say you have to attend this or that religious class, or else you're not at welcome here. They can't do that. Right? C, or in this case, even if a student can attend religious education or some religious observance, say morning devotion, if the parents object to the student going to devotion, the school cannot say, since you're not coming to devotion, we expel you. They can't do that. C, that he shall attend such institution on any day specially set apart for religious worship by the religious body to which he belongs. I guess if there's a religion whose Sabbath is on a Friday and they are not supposed to be at school on their Sabbath, then the school cannot say, since you're not coming to school on a Friday, then we kick you out. They can't do that. Okay? So basically, it seems like subsection 1 is saying that the school cannot discriminate against a student based on religion. Alright, subsection 2. So it still applies here, where the school cannot require the student to do these things as a condition to attend the school. If the parent of any student attending a public educational institution requests that such student be excused from attendance at any religious observance or any instruction in religious subjects at such institution or elsewhere, then until such request is withdrawn, the student shall be excused from such attendance without forfeiting any of the other benefits of such institution. So if the parents say, my child, I don't want my child to attend your classes for this religious subject, then the school must excuse the child from that class and cannot deny the child any benefits or discriminate against the child in any way. 3, where the parent of any student who is a boarder at a public educational institution requests that the student be permitted to attend worship in accordance with the tenets of a religious denomination on Sundays or other days exclusively set apart for religious observance by the religious body to which its parents belong, or to receive religious instruction in accordance with such tenants outside school hours, the Board of Management of the institution shall make arrangement for affording to the student reasonable opportunities for doing so. So, however, that such arrangement shall not entail expenditure by the minister or the Board of Management. Okay. So, if the child board at the school, the boarding arrangement cannot give a Sabbath keeper work to do on that day or tell them to stay in to such an extent that they cannot attend church or on a Sunday, right? Maybe some religious, so it's a Seventh-day Adventist school and they're trying to prevent students from going to school on a Sunday because they don't want students to go to school on a Sunday. That would be illegal. So based on this subsection, that would be illegal. Of course, in making such arrangement, it shouldn't be at a cost to the Ministry of Education or the Board of Management. Subsection 4. Subject to the provisions of this section, the school day in every public education institution shall include time for collective worship on the part of all students in attendance at the institution, and arrangements made therefore shall provide for a single act of worship attended by all such students, unless, in the opinion of the Board of Management, the premises of the institution are such as to make it impracticable to assemble the students for such purpose. Okay. So this act says that the school must make time for the student to come together to worship during the school day. They should be allowed to come together to worship. That's what it says. Alright. 5. A copy of this section printed in large type shall be kept posted in a conspicuous place in every public educational institution. A copy of this section. Oh, so all schools, all public schools and so on must print out a copy of section 18. Although maybe many schools don't do it and they get away with it in terms of printing out this a copy of this section. Alright. But the law requires it. We'll look at section 19 onwards in our next video.